For this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how to buy a domain name. Now there are lots of sites that will allow you to buy a domain name. We're going to be using GoDaddy.com, but other sites include Namecheap.com, Bluehost.com, and many more. So let's go ahead and take a look at our front page here and see what kind of specials GoDaddy is offering us. Along the top we have domains, we have hosting and servers, we've got storage, web design, how to generate income, web-based email, SSL and security, auctions, and my account. Now I'm not logged in yet, but we're going to take a look at that in just a moment. Now when we scroll down, you'll see a box that says search for a new domain name, and we're going to look for the domain name that we want to use, and in this case it's WordPress Tutorial Hub, and at the end it says .com. Now you can use the drop-down box, so you can also choose .info, .net, etc. You can use any of these tags afterwards, and once you find the tag you want to use, click on Go. So right now this is available, and it shows us the different options that they're offering. Right now it's $12.99, and you can click Add, and it will go into your shopping cart. You can also choose to add in addition to .com, .co, .net, .info, etc. The .info actually comes free with your .com with the special they're running right now. So choose any other tags you want to use. It also shows you variations that you might want to consider. So you might want to use one of these instead if you decide not to use your original, and it shows you the price. It offers premium domains that we may want, and these are obviously more expensive because they're more likely to have people do searches on these particular word sequences. Underneath, you can choose a county or region-specific domain name that you may want to use. And then again, underneath, it has the pricing for additional tags. So I'm just going to choose the one that we already put in, WordPressTutorialHub.com, and I'm going to click Add. You can see that it's popped up over here in my shopping cart, and we're going to continue to registration. Now notice in red that it shows Get Bulk Pricing, and if you do that, you can add 5 more domains, and it will lower the price of each domain name. But let's click on Continue Registration. It now has another window that's come up showing us that we can get 3 more, or we can get 5 more. And you may decide that you want to get these names to make sure that if people put in these word combinations with these tags, that they'll end up coming to your site. And it will show you how much you can save at the bottom. Or you can click on No Thanks. If you're already a customer, you can go ahead and log in. If not, you'll create your domain registration information. First name, last name, and email address. Address 1, city, country, state, zip code, and phone. You can tell all of these are required because they have a red star after them, so you'll go through and fill out all of this information. Since I already have an account, I'm going to go ahead and log in. And click Next. On the next page, it's going to take us to our domain registration information. It will show us what our domain name is, and we can also view or edit it right underneath, and then it will ask for how long we want to register with this name. I'm going to buy it for 1 year. Next, it's going to ask if you want to certify the name or keep it uncertified. If you choose to certify your domain, it certifies that your domain name belongs directly to you, rather than a hacker. This will also display the certified domain seal on your site. If you're going to be hosting your domains elsewhere, you can set your name servers in the next box. And you can also include free auto-renew protection if you want to click right here. Right now it's set on free auto-renew, but you can change this to manual by clicking. You can click here for product disclaimers and legal policies. Click on 3 for your privacy and domain protection. And we're going to use the privacy with business registration because we don't want the Whois database to find us just yet until our site gets completely built. So I'm going to click Select. And you can see again, this has popped up in our shopping cart. Next is Activate your domain. Right now, our email address is inactive, but if we want to activate email addresses, which would be, say, your name at WordPressTutorialHub.com, you could click here for 5 or 10 email addresses with unlimited storage, or you can get their complete email package. This is only $5.49 a month, but you can also choose these other packages, and almost all sites are going to offer these same types of packages. If you want to add hosting, you can also choose a hosting plan. As you can see here, they have two separate plans, the Web Hosting Economy for $4.74 a month and the Web Hosting Deluxe for $6.64 a month. And you can choose features for your site such as SSL certificate, which guarantees your customers' information, a search engine enhancement, which is $35.88 a year to bring more traffic to your website, and a shopping cart that allows you to put 20 products in your catalog for $9.49 a month. I'm happy with what I've already chosen, so I'm just going to go ahead and click Next. The next page is my shopping cart. This will show my domain name and any other details that I chose. Once again, it gives you a chance to add matching domains, and it gives us a private registration service or a business registration service. Once we have everything we want, we're going to go ahead and click on Continue to Checkout. I'd like to use PayPal to pay for this site, so I'm going to click on PayPal, and it will ask if I want to use my saved PayPal profile information, and I'm going to click OK. So now, as you can see, WordPressTutorialHub.com belongs to me as my website name. No one else can buy it. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and it helped you get through the process of buying your domain name, and we'll see you next time.